Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. So in case you are new here, I'm Tripathi Aditya Prakash and I'm working as a full-time data analyst who loves diving into data to uncover various insights and derive decision making that I can do at job. So today's video is very important as I see Gen Z rise in corporate, and specifically because we are going to talk about something that actually had transformed my career, and I am a Gen Z. So the key to that, as you have seen in the title, is leveraging your position at your work. So regardless whether you are at early stage of your career or looking to take a new big leap, maybe to shift to a different company, understanding and leveraging your role is really a crucial key. If you don't want to work based on your boss requirement, you want to work on your requirement. So let's understand why it matters. So in particularly, I'll be talking in context to data analysis, and it also will go beyond that also for other roles also. So basically, the leverage that we have is all about maximizing the impact that you have and the influence that you have within your organization. It's more visible if you are in a shorter organization, meaning like it's a teamish small, maybe it's a startup, then it becomes more, because it's not just about working harder, it's about making the work actually work smarter. So if you'll just keep on doing hard work and people are not seeing any kind of results, then it doesn't matter what kind of work you do, because they have to see results. So by leveraging your position at your work, you will get more opportunities for growth, learning and leadership that you won't have access to if you are working just hard and not smartly at work. And that smart work can depends, is very subjective, so I won't get into that, but you will have to find some way towards it. Like I focused on business metrics more rather than just focusing on numbers. So that was a trick that I kind of used. So yeah, and then comes understanding your value. So as a data analyst, I learned my value doesn't just depends on crunching numbers or generating reports that I do on a hourly basis. So it's not just based on that. It actually comes from understanding how those numbers and report can actually influence the business strategies and outcome that the company is planning for, as I've told earlier in my trick also, right? So it's not just about how many numbers you can present. How those numbers are impactful and can actually derive the business is the goal you should have. So knowing your value in this context will be recognizing how your work that you are doing fits into the larger picture of the organization and how it actually makes a difference. So this understanding that you will have from this is the first tool in leveraging your job that you will have. And then this leverage also comes from building relationships and networking. So networking, as a lot of people think, is not just about finding new jobs, it's actually about enhancing the current position that you are in. And by making these YouTube videos, I'm kind of also leveraging it only. The connection that I'm creating, the networking that I'm building, it's like that only. So even with connection with colleagues from different departments, it's more possible. If you're in a bigger organization, startup, it won't be possible, but yeah. But if you talk with these different people from different team, you will understand, you will gain insights, and you can offer your expertise and take back their expertise in return. And it also will help you get to be the go-to person for data related queries, and also visibility at your expertise, and you will also be more proficient as well as authoritative in terms of a subject matter expert. So your visibility will be a lot, and it will be crucial for your influence in the organization. And one of the very overlooked metrics and key aspect, I'll say, is taking initiative. People don't do that. They want to hide in shadows. So you can't and you don't wait for opportunities to come to you. You actually will have to create them. No one else is going to do that because they want to step on you. That's a really harsh reality. People don't want to grow. They just want to have more things. That's those things are not directly proportional to each other. So you will have to propose new ideas of, offer lead a workshop, or you can take workshop also. It's a very good way to improvise and also gain authority. And you can also, suggest improvement in the current process that is happening. This will show that you are being proactive and taking initiative and demonstrating that you have leadership potential if you are doing these things. And then it will open, more door for more significant roles and responsibilities that you can take on. And you also need a very, important point again, is that you have to be continuous learning. If you won't learn, you won't grow. It's as simple as that. So you'll have to stay updated with latest tools, trends, and methodologies that is being, industry is following. You need to attend workshop, webinars, and conferences on a monthly basis, at least, I will say. So you'll have to do those things, because the more you will learn, the more value you will create for the organization and yourself. And then again, it will have more leverage for you. And lastly, I'll say that you need to be visible. People are not visible in an organization or a team, to be exact. You need to share your success and success of the team overall that you're leading. Then only business will actually see, okay, you are doing something, that your work is impacting the work of the organization as a whole. And you will get recognition from your peers, your higher ups, and that will actually, give into this process of having leverage in the company. And at last, I'll conclude this video and also tell you guys, it isn't just about taking advantage of other people. That's a misconception people have. It's never about taking advantage of the other people. It's about maximizing your own potential. Leverage is about that, and the impact that you actually give to the organization. And from a personal basis, as a data analyst, I've seen firsthand how applying these strategies on work on a daily basis can actually lead to incredible career growth opportunities, and in turn help my personal growth also. So just for data peoples, I'll say, remember this particular quote that I'll be saying. It's self-made, but yeah, it's not just about the data. It's about how you use it and how you share it and how you let it guide the organization and be a part of the team. If you won't do that, then numbers nobody cares about, let's be honest, unless it's in bank account. So with this note, I'll finish this video, and thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more such kind of videos, and get to know more about my career as I'm kind of documenting it now. And share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. I'll be loving to hear them out. I'm waiting for it also.